Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Just got home from church. It's still kind of foggy outside, but we are supposed to get up to 76, 77 today. Looking forward to that. We're going to have a warm part of the week, and then we're going to go back to cold at the end of the week. Boy, we are on a roller coaster with the weather. So today we're going to talk about herbs. There are medicinal herbs and there are culinary herbs. So many wonderful herbs. We use both and we try to grow both. A couple of my most favorite things to grow are holy basil, lavender, and cooking culinary basil. And right now Greg and I have about 4 or 5 different varieties of seeds started for those culinary basils and those culinary herbs. So I can't wait to see how we fare with that. But I'm going to try something different, and this is called the Intelligent Planter, and it is an indoor herb or flower garden. And we've not really done any of this. I believe this is hydroponic, and so I'm looking forward to trying this out. And I'm going to do an unboxing right now because I use my Tower of Power for herbs, but I'll tell you what, it'd be pretty nice and convenient to grow year-round if I can do it here in my kitchen. And then when I'm cooking, guys, I can just go over and pinch off some herbs for whatever I need, or holy basil for tea, because holy basil tea is wonderful. And so, yeah, I'm going to try to grow several different herbs inside the house year-round. And we're going to use this AHopeGarden Intelligent Planter. Now, a lot of you are gardeners, and a lot of you have young children, and so this would be a great gift to give them, to start teaching them about the laws of sowing and reaping, and that goes many different ways, guys. This will help them learn how to plant a seed, start a seed, watch it blossom, watch it bloom, watch it grow, and just enjoy learning how the law of sowing and reaping works, which we can apply to many things in life. So let's get to unboxing this, and we're going to see how this works, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be planting in this, so stay tuned. I'm pretty excited about this, guys. Intelligent Planter instruction manual, and then it gives you a quick guide here. So it looks like, I believe we have 8 compartments that we can grow in. You could even do some lettuces in this, guys. Oh my goodness, look how compact this is. This is going to be fantastic. Let's move this out of the way. Oh my goodness. How exciting. So you have your power input back here. And then you have your, shows you your power buttons. Water, vegetables, flowers. So it has 2 different settings. One for vegetables and one for flowers and fruits. So yeah, it gives you like quick, very quick. Small seeds, mint, you can grow mint, petunias, place seeds into the soaked sponges. This is going to be fantastic. I just have to figure out how to do this. So let's see. And it gives you a QR code if you want to scan it. So it has a LED panel, adjustable light post, grow deck. Yes. Has 8 baskets with 8 sponges. It comes with, looks like tweezers, bags, covers. There's our power supply. So we want to figure out how to raise. Step 2, press the button of the light post and lengthen the light post to a certain height. Press the button on the light post. Okay, there is no button. You just have to raise it up. And so then it looks like all of your supplies are inside here. So here are your grow sponges. Here are the trays that they're going to go in. Looks like here are your labeling supplies. Here's our power. Ooh, let's see what's in that. Here's our power supply. And they provide us with plant food. So there's A and then there's B. So we'll need to read these directions and see how to use that. So we're going to get to starting this up, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to be planting. Okay, so we're growing some bigger seeds, guys. So we need to soak our seeds for about 6 hours. So I've gone ahead and I've got my little bowls ready here, and I've got everything labeled so I know where to put my seed. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start some spearmint. Now these are smaller seeds, and they say to put about, wow, 3 seeds per compartment to ensure germination. So I'm going to put my spearmint seeds here. Yeah, I can still see them. And then I'm going to grow some Genovese basil. And again, this is going to be my culinary herbs. So there's my Genovese basil. Then I'm going to do large leaf basil. Opal basil. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait to see how this works. It'd be so nice to just pinch some off. Then some Thai basil. Now I'm using the Survival Garden Seed Company. We've had really, really good luck with germination on these. I'll put the link below, along with the link to this mini hydro garden. Holy basil. This is my favorite, guys. I have to tell you, holy basil tea. Lemon balm. And culinary basil. Where did I put my culinary basil? Genovese. Let me get it. So here is the culinary basil. These don't look like large seeds to me, but I guess they're considered large seeds. So we'll let them soak a couple of hours, and then we'll come back and finish our setup. Okay guys, I'm really impressed actually with this setup. And I'm excited to see what we get going. And they give you everything you need. And I'll go over that here in a second. But you soak these little sponges in water. And then you pop them in here. And then they gave me a little set of tweezers. Let me turn this around so I can see what you're seeing. And you put your seeds. We're going to put 3. 1. 2. Boy, these want to stick. I'm glad I put more than 3 in these little things because I need them to get down in there. Three. And then you put them directly in the little grows. Now this is where you fill your water. So you want to leave that. And they gave us a little stopper to put here so that we could go ahead and close that up to prevent gnats and stuff like that. So that's my holy basil. might have to figure out a way to label these. And then you put the little grow domes on top. So let's move on with the opal basil. One. Ooh, that was easier. 2, 3. Put it in the little stopper here. We're going to put that back there. And I'm going to complete these and we'll come back. So I have all my seeds placed. And we're going to put our little mini geraniums on here. Now they also give you extra caps in case you don't want to grow in all of them, just to keep it covered. But I'm going to go ahead and do all 8. Now they do give us plant food, but you don't use this, guys, until these start to germinate. So we're going to set these aside for now, but once you use them, and I will do an update, you fill them up to the certain water level, and then you know exactly how much to pour into the water hole to feed your plants. So now let's plug this thing in. Woo-wee. You can see that is some pretty bright, and it's already set on vegetables, and we've got the power on. Now this is automatic. It'll go for, the light will stay on for 16 hours and then it will go off automatically. I think 8 hours. So and if I turn it off, it's going to kick back on. I believe it said in 10 hours, but we will update on that. So we are all set. I've got the water level filled. There's nothing more we need to do at this point other than just let the light work on them. I'm going to bring it down. Oh, look, it changes. Okay, so vegetables. This is the vegetable setting, and this is the flower and fruit setting. So you can see it's a different light. So we are growing our herbs. Super, super excited to see how this works out. So guys, stay tuned. I'll do a follow-up video when these germinate. I expect to see some germination probably within the next 7 to 10 days. And I'm going to leave this in my kitchen where I can watch it and enjoy it and see how it works. So yeah, this is going to be very exciting. So, pretty exciting. We have lots of seeds started in the high tunnels, and we'll keep you updated on those. But again, guys, this is a universal law of sowing and reaping. Sowing a seed and reaping the harvest, which is what we do here on this channel. We love to grow our own food. We love to show you how to grow your own food. We love to show you how to preserve your own food. And we love to show you new products that we're trying. So I'm going to put the link below for this. It's very, very economical. And in fact, we're probably going to get our grandson one because he loves to watch things grow and he loves to plant seeds. So I think that this would be a great starter set for your kiddos if you're starting a garden, to get them to understand how plants work when you plant a seed, how it germinates and how it continues to grow, and how you feed it and you fertilize it and you prosper it. So anyway, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Again, I'm going to put the link below for this, and also I'm going to put the link for the survival garden seeds because we are having terrific luck with them. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless, and we'll update you soon.